Cool. So today we have here not only a 2025 Tundra, this one is a TRD Offroad with the blackout package or the midnight package.
Yeah, it's a TRD Offroad Limited 2025 with the TRD Offroad.
Also have Jensen, the owner of this particular truck.
Yes.
He is fully outfitted in ARB because this is a little different situation. We build cars for people every day, but we want to talk about the importance of ARB. You are our ARB rep. Been with us for year and a half?
About 2 years.
Okay.
About 2 years, yeah.
Good times fly fast.
Yeah, this is true. This is true.
But yeah, you talk ARB every day.
Yep.
We talk all kinds of products, including lots of ARB and Old Man Emu products.
It's true.
But we live them. See you later. Have a good one.
See you.
Thanks for visiting us, Matt. Have a good one. But yeah, I think the importance of this conversation is really that you can't be familiar with the product unless you use it yourself. This is your personal truck.
Very true.
We installed the Old Man Emu MT64 shocks, full suspension package on here for you.
Correct.
So previously you had a 510 4Runner.
Yes.
On that one we also used the Old Man Emu BP51s on it. So you live it, you breathe it, you sell it.
True.
All the things. So how important is that for you to have that experience of owning the product as well as working with the product every day?
So I think the awesome thing about ARB is that a lot of the actual sales team, we actually live it and breathe it every day. So we're either driving a demo vehicle or our personal vehicles have a bunch of ARB products.
Okay.
And so for Slee Off-Road, I've known Ben a while, separate from ARB. We've known each other a long time. And I wanted somebody that actually cares about the Old Man Emu product and knows how to speak it, knows how to install it, and that's kind of why I brought my vehicle to Slee, so that you guys could take care of it and actually do the right install.
We appreciate that.
Yeah.
I mean, we've seen firsthand how someone could do all the research as the vehicle owner and buy the best product available.
Exactly.
And it's a good product.
Yeah, it is.
But the quality of the installation and the shop understanding all the ins and outs, you don't get a good ownership experience with a good quality product without that installation and understanding. I mean, we have our own alignment process that we go through. We take the alignment that Toyota gives us and we kind of tailor it knowing that the truck has been changed. Also, the expectations from the vehicle owner and how they drive is a little different than how Toyota may suggest an alignment for the masses. So some of the little things that we do to try to understand the vehicle, the product, and try to meet the needs of the customer or the vehicle owner as well.
Correct,
so,
yeah.
But yeah, I appreciate you trusting us with your vehicle.
Yeah.
I'm happy that it's the second one we're doing with you.
Yep.
Yeah, we also want to thank you for all the help that you have being our ARB rep. We have a great relationship, great communication, and I think it takes all of those things to offer the service that we do to everybody.
Definitely.
So,
well,
yeah.
I appreciate you taking care of my baby, and I love the MT64 suspension. I love the ride quality, and that's same with when I had it on my 4Runner as well. And then having the maintenance-free ball joints is always nice.
Yeah, that is nice on the Old Man Emu arms that we installed on here.
Yep.
And then coupled with that, we worked with it a little bit previously, but we did the Icon wheels for you. We went with the Toyo AT3 tires.
Yep.
Love how Icon packages wheels specifically designed for Toyota vehicles. And then, yeah, you can't go wrong with the AT3 from Toyo.
No.
These are 35s on here, and
Correct.
we're all loving how big the wheel wells are on the new Tundras. You can package a 35 with minimal trimming, minimal removing of parts.
True.
That's a good thing to touch on, I think, as well. You had 35s on there on the stock suspension.
Correct.
We put the Old Man Emu suspension on for better ride quality, better handling, better capacity in the bed, less wallowing, things of that nature. But it's not required to fit a bigger tire size, right?
This is true. I was hesitant on that, and then you were like, no, you should be fine, and you were right. So
the wheel well doesn't change in size with or without a raised height. So
I was
had
fine
the experience both
with
ways.
the stock setup. I was like worried having 35s on it, but no, it worked. So I appreciate that. And that was the thing. It's like, that's why I come to you guys, because you're like, hey, we've tried all these different sizes because we do all the testing. Same with a lot of the ARB products. You guys are always running your vehicles with it, so you can actually educate us on, hey, you might want to run this bolt pattern, or you might want to run this wheel with this setup. So
it's a two-way street, right?
Yeah, exactly.
We like to complete the communication so we all know what to expect. And if there needs to be a change, great. If there doesn't need to change and we just all need to learn from it, that's also great as well. So
True.
yeah,
Very
this is
true.
great. I hope we continue to have this relationship. And yeah, I did some test driving before you picked your truck up because this suspension is still pretty new for the Tundra. And yeah, I think I'll be very, very excited about it. Although you probably know just as much as I do about it.
Yeah, no, I love this suspension. Again, this suspension is super beefy. So it's a 3-inch diameter outer body and a 2.5-inch inner diameter bore. So you get a lot more fluid flow. And the price point is phenomenal for what you're doing. So we had the nitrocharger and then we had the BP. We needed something in the middle, and this has been a phenomenal suspension that we've brought out. So I run it on all my vehicles, and I do a lot of road driving, and I wanted something that I could have off-road, but also it's nice on-road, especially my wife. She hated when I had Kings on before. Great product, but I needed something that can actually tailor to the road. And the MT64s have been what I needed. So everything, I didn't need BPs on this setup. Maybe next time I'll throw BPs on. But MT64s have been
Can't turn your nose up at that 2.5-inch piston bore in there. I mean, that's a great size shock. It packages really well.
Exactly.
I love the new addition on these that the front is fully assembled. Top hat's a full coilover. You don't even have to disassemble it to change the preload on it for different weights or different heights that are on it. So yeah, as an installer, we love that. Comes out of the package. We can change it before the install. We can change it even before we ship it to people if needed.
Right.
So we love the product line. Just like ARB to just continue on and keep supporting more and more vehicles so we can enjoy it that much more.
And I appreciate on the weight specific tunes, you were like, let's go with 0 weight. Just because I'm not doing any like crazy towing or I'm not putting on a bumper yet. And I'll probably change the coil springs once I upgrade some more weight on it. But for now, I didn't need to do that. And so, yeah.
Great. Well, yeah. Well, thank you for dropping your truck off again. And thanks for all your support every time, answering all our questions, educating us on the product, and allowing us to continue the conversations like we have. So,
definitely.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.